In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon Pixma TS7720 to your Wi-Fi network. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, you'll be able to print and scan using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started. We need to go on the display here, press the home screen if you're not already on the home screen, and then select the settings icon. Select Printer Settings. Select LAN Settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi Setup. Tap on Manual Connect. It will search for your Wi-Fi network. So be patient. It takes just around 10 seconds. You're going to have all the Wi-Fi network around the printer, so you can scroll up and down and find your Wi-Fi. This is mine, so I'll simply tap on it. Here you're going to select Use Multiple Routers. And now it's time to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. So you're going to tap here. And now it's a bit complicated. They didn't include a keyboard the way that you have on your smartphone. What you have to do, let's say I want to type the letter R. Well, R is over here. I'll have to tap this button a few times until R is presented to me. And then I'll go to the next letter. Let's say it's K. Okay, and you get the idea. That's how you can type. By pressing the lower left side, you can switch to numbers if you have numbers in your password. And if you want capital letters, you need to press the Shift button and it will switch to capital letters instead. So go ahead and type your password. You're going to then press OK and then OK again. Wait a few seconds until the printer connects to your Wi-Fi. And you're going to get connected to wireless router. Press OK. And this is about it. You can press the home icon and start connecting your device.